The tribes came marching, shoulder to shoulder, for once united, fierce and sober. The crime was real, the outrage burned. At last it seemed the nation learned. They gathered fast, they drew the line, demanded justice for the crime. And every heart was sure they knew exactly what was right to do. But being right is not the same as standing rightly before God. Truth in the courtroom can still go wrong when pride is hiding in the heart. Right but wrecked, certain but disconnected, swinging justice like a hammer without asking what needed mended. Right but wrecked, winning battles, losing more. The deeper wound remained untouched beneath the blood upon the floor. Benjamin chose the tribal bond above the truth they should have honored, and brothers turned their swords around, making war on covenant ground. They asked Yahweh who should lead, but never asked what they should be. Direction without repentance, a map without a destination. One defeat, then two, and still they hadn't fully turned. Tears can fall, pain can come, and yet the lesson still not learned. Right but wrecked, certain but disconnected, swinging justice like a hammer without asking what needed mended. Right but wrecked, winning battles, losing more. The deeper wound remained untouched beneath the blood upon the floor. Then finally, fasting, weeping, sacrifice. Finally the cycle starts to breathe again. But now the cost is staggering, the fire has spread too far. Justice arrives like a flood and washes away the village too. Benjamin falls, Israel mourns. The cure creates another wound, and suddenly everyone is fixing the damage caused by fixing. Problem, reaction, consequence, reaction. Another rope, another workaround, another plan, another crisis. Everyone improvising in the ruins of their wisdom. Right but wrecked, that's the ending of the book. Everyone doing what seemed right, nobody asking where to look. Right but wrecked, justice bent beyond its place, trying to heal a nation's heart with tools that couldn't give it grace. But Christ is neither right nor wrecked. His justice never loses sight. Mercy and truth embrace as one. The King restores what we can't right. Right but wrecked, that's Judge's final cry. A people who knew the law but needed a heart made new inside. No king in Israel, no king in the heart, until the King arrives.